Okay, let's go.
Good morning, another day, another run. 1K and 15K yata yun. So nandito tayo sa Ayala Triangle Garden. So 4:30 pa tayo mag-start dahil 5K lang tayo. So shout out kay Sir Jeff sa nang-sponsor na to. Let's go! Okay, mag-start na, assemble na yung porter. Assemble ng porter, ito yung 5K. So nag-iwan lang tayo ng gamit doon sa baggage. So let's go! Good na. Pero 5:30 pa yung start natin. 5:30 on guns. So maaga pala natin dito. So yan na yung mga giveaway. Dito na 3K, 5K, and so on. So punta na tayo sa mag-assemble. Pero inaantay pa natin yung mga kasama natin. Lalo na yung Sir Jeff. 4:30 daw nandito sila. So wait na lang natin. Pero hindi yun sa pan. Takbo lang talaga. Ayun, mag-start na! 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go! At the finish line, runners, have a safe run. Enjoy.
Best Life Road Corporate Race 2020.
Show us your corporate.
Okay, nakapila na tayo. Saan tayo banda? Let's go! Nasaunan tayo. Hey, let's go!
Attention, runners of the 5-kilometer category. The gates have been opened. The race will begin shortly. Please take your positions at the starting line along Ayala Avenue and prepare for the countdown. Activities at the starting line.
30 minutes pa naman. So matagal pa.
We wish all participants a safe and rewarding race experience. For elite runners, please ensure that you're at the starting line and ready before the official race starts. 5:30 for all runners in this category, regardless of which way they start in. We therefore invite. My name is Rocky Mercado.
And I'm Christy Schneck, and we are your hosts for the BPI Best Life Grand Corporate Race 2026.
Welcome to the Philippines' first and still the only corporate race.
Okay. 2K. Naunahan na lang tayo. 5 trip. 3K. Dalawa na lang. 4K. 1K na lang. Lunchtime.
Espanya Run Club.
16 minutes and yung una. Let's go. First medal. First run. Let's go. Thank you BPI and especially Sir Jeff sa pagbigay ng or pag-sponsor dito. May hindi lang daw makakapunti kaya binigay sa akin. So thank you. 5K. Kuha na pala tayo ng finisher kit.
Doon daw, dito daw sa kabila.
Gusto ko eh.
No. The...
Shampoo ba?
Kuha ng loot bags.
Loot bags pala yun pala. Tawag.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you po. Ay, nakuha na po pala.
Doon po pala. So, mamaya ulit. Ako sa small. Finisher